Disclaimer. This video is intended for educational and informational purposes only, discussing the ethical implications of facial recognition technology. Opening shot. A dimly lit background with futuristic graphics and a computer interface loading data. Imagine this. Someone takes a single picture of you and within seconds they know your name, where you live, and even your entire social media history. Creepy, right? Well, this isn't the plot of a sci-fi movie. This is real, and it's called Clearview AI. Cut to text on screen. Clearview AI, the facial recognition tech that can identify you from a single picture. So what exactly is Clearview AI? Clearview AI is a facial recognition technology developed by a company of the same name. But it's not your average facial recognition. It's special because it can match your face to an enormous database of over 3 billion images. Yes, 3 billion. That have been scraped from social media websites and public databases. That means your online pictures, even the ones you thought were private, could already be in their system. But how does this technology actually work? Once they have your photo, their algorithm can scan their database to find any images that match. In a matter of seconds, they might know more about you than you ever intended to share. So what do you think about Clearview AI? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into tech topics. Thanks for watching. Now let's delve deeper into the ethical implications of such technology. The use of facial recognition technology by Clearview AI raises significant ethical questions. For instance, is it ethical to scrape billions of images from the internet without the consent of the individuals in those photos? Many argue that this is a blatant violation of privacy. Others believe that such technology can be a powerful tool for law enforcement and security purposes. But where do we draw the line between security and privacy? The potential for misuse is enormous. Imagine if this technology falls into the wrong hands. The consequences could be disastrous. There have already been numerous protests and legal challenges against the use of Clearview AI. Some countries have even banned its use altogether. So, what can we do as individuals to protect our privacy? One step is to be more mindful of the photos we share online. Another is to support legislation that regulates the use of facial recognition technology. And finally, stay informed about the latest developments in technology and privacy. Knowledge is power, and the more we know, the better we can protect ourselves. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into tech topics. Thanks for watching.